I am going to the grocery store to get some eggs because I want to make pumpkin bread. That'll be so yummy and it'll smell like Christmas while we put up all the decorations. All right, I got a few things. Let's go. I'm back. I am going to do something fun with the pumpkin bread. I have this giant Bruce's Yam can. Bruce's Yams can? I'm gonna make some pumpkin bread in that. That'll be so fun and festive. Here is my mama's, the recipe for the pumpkin bread. I've got the this can floured. I got it buttered and floured, ready to bake. There we go. Let's get that in the oven. And honestly, I'm a little worried because I may have filled I may have filled the can too full and I may have a disaster on my hands. Let's find out. Well, what'd I say? I thought I'd have a mess on my hands, and I was right. I plan on making more later on this month, so this was just my trial run. Okay, I am in the basement, and right there are my Christmas decorations. Let's get those carried upstairs and start decorating, and maybe pause for some pumpkin bread too. Here's the big box of Christmas ornaments. We're not gonna do the house today, just the tree. Look how I'm coming through. Ow, I just poked my eye out. We have the ornament that came from the Christmas tree farm, but I don't want that on right now. I'm going to put the lights on. Oh boy, untangling the Christmas lights, the best part of Christmas, isn't it? I'll keep the cranky for when the camera's off. Alright, the lights are on. Let's get Nancy in here and she can put some ornaments on.
A purple ornament on a blue tree.
To the tree. Did she put an ornament on?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we could get her to do today.
She hates doing this.
She pretends like she likes to do it, but she really doesn't like it that much. So this one, I think, this one is one of Mom's from when I was a kid.
And if it's not, because I remember her Silent Night one being
blue,
it means, Carrie, you have the real one in Mexico and I bought a replacement. Oh, there's another one. Trying to tell me where all the special, there's a blue one from Mama.
If you watched last year's Vlogmas, you'll remember this guy and the freak out I had about sewing. You can check it out here. I'll put the card, is that what you call it? I'll put that thing up top you can see.
So these are the two that I was trying to get to before Kelly did so I could put them on my side of the tree. And I should probably also tell you that we're doing our tree Mom style or Graham style, which is super old fashioned and anything goes.
Here's another one of these.
That was on my tree when I was a little kid.
Right.
Not your tree, my tree.
Well, it was on my tree too.
Yeah, it was on my tree. Not as easy as fake trees.
No, it's not. And you're doing amazing.
There. So we're gonna replace the Nancy's purple one with this red Chiefs one.
We got this guy last year. I thought he was pretty cute.
Is this
it's
tree?
one of Nancy's favorites. Oh, look at that pretty snowman. Oops. I don't think that works very well. Here's a little silly little ornament that I made like in kindergarten. It's Rudolph.
And here's some silly ornament that I made in like 4th or 5th grade that we still have. Elmer's glue, styrofoam, and pieces of
Oh, I love that
grandma's quilting squares. What we call bric-a-brac. I don't know what you guys call that.
And since we keep showing you all our childhood Christmas ornaments, here's one of my favorites.
Shrinky dink!
It's a shrinky dink.
So this one is full of the M&M guys and Donald Duck and Mickey and Minnie Mouse and Snoopy. So if you wonder why we're a bunch of kids, it's because Mom. Oh, a picture of hers hanging on the wall over there. She was a kid at heart too.
And appropriate for this year. So this one, who is that? My nephew, who's 2.5, 3 years younger than me. When we went to McDonald's, we got all these little ornaments, and he came to Grandma's house and he put it on the tree and he went, "There." And he put it on the like very front, kind of like what Nancy just did, right on the very front, and Mom's like, "Oh no." So when after he left, she went and she put it behind the tree. Well, he thought it was a game, so then when he'd come back over, he'd find it and he'd put it back on the tree and go, "Oh, there." So he's still not going on the tree, but
Oh, put it on the tree.
oh, all right, Jay, I'm putting this on the tree just for you. Here, right here, is this where you want me to put it, Jay? I think he's gonna go into the back. If you show up, you can move it to the front. 3 guesses where you think I got this one. Hey guys, that's it. Thanks for walking down memory lane with us. We'll see you sometime tomorrow. Bye.